Hello cousins, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Big Mama Cooks and here I make mom level recipes made easy and I air fry them too. Today's recipe is going to be the classic Mangu, Dominican-Mangu, mashed plantains. Let's get right to it. The first thing I'm going to do is fill up my pot halfway with water and bring it to a boil. That way when I'm ready to add in my plátanos, the water's already boiling and good to go. I'm going to be using 5 plátanos for this mango. I'm going to peel, cut, and scrape, and I'm going to add it to my boiling water. I'm going to let these boil for 12 minutes, and at that point, I'm going to come in and add cold water, 1 cup of cold water to my plátanos. And I'm going to let this cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, this is going in slow motion for a reason. At the point where I add the cold water, this is normally where you would add your tablespoon of salt. I like to use the chicken bouillon cube, but that's my preference. I add in my chicken bouillon cube, mix it up, and let it cook for those next 5 minutes. Once those 5 minutes are up, my plátano are fork tender and they're breaking apart. Right before I drain my plátanos, I reserve 2 large cups of plátano water aside because I need it for the mango. Once my plátanos are drained, I'm going to bring out the hand mixer and I'm going to get to work. Yes, you can certainly use a fork, a masher, some cups, whatever you need to mash your plantains. I like to add in 1 cup of water at a time until I reach the consistency that I like. My family likes a soft mango with chunks. Then I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of butter and mix that in. At this point, if you reach the consistency that you'd like, you are completely done. But remember, the key to mango is the plátano, water, and oil. So whether you add butter or you add cooking oil, that's what makes it soft. So if you need to add a little more water to make it softer, go ahead and do that. And always taste as you go so you can monitor your salt. Now tell me in the comments, are you a salami person or a longaniza person? Personally, I'm a longaniza person. Thank you for watching, cousins. See you again next time.